We at Decision First like to do an assessment related to your upgrade. That's usually our first steps. So when we're engaging with clients, we'd like to come out and do a workshop that explains the new products within BI4. It's an opportunity also for us to review your environment. Things that we're looking at when we're doing that review are custom applications that you've done integration related to Xi 3.1 or lower versions. So have you done some portal integration or a custom application where you've done Crystal Reports hosting inside there? We also want to look at desktop intelligence reporting. DESKI reports are still supported kind of in version 4.1, but you need to look to be doing the conversion into web intelligence related from a reporting process. Lastly, within those assessments, we'll see an effort related to sizing. Looking at your licensing and the sizing that you need for BI4 is important. You know, what you might have currently might work fine in BI4 from a licensing, but this is a good opportunity to look to see if you've got maybe processor-oriented licensing structure where we can convert you into BI Suite, which would maybe allow you to include new features, Lumira, Explorer, or mobile that you might not have current licensing for if you're just a classic professional premium licensing customer. And then correlating with that licensing discussion, we'll usually do sizing related to a new environment. You know, based on what you're currently doing from a reporting perspective and what you might be looking to use and leverage within the new reporting tools, you know, what that size of deployment would look like. We also try to give you a project plan so we can identify the steps. Are we going to be doing a full migration process? Are we going to be doing it incrementally if we're doing it through go-live phases? Talk about testing, training, all throughout the process. What training were your end users going to need related to the new application? You know, Webby's changed considerably, and so being reintroduced to web intelligence for a day or two is a very popular concept that we do for a lot of our customers. So that you can see the new interface, the new ribbon, interface up on top, where are all the features and capabilities. So in our project plan, we usually take people all the way from that workshop all the way to the end. At the end of those assessments, I think the customer really has a great plan in hand. They have a roadmap and a strategy related to how they're going to be able to communicate effectively to their customers.